I was an architect, I was a business owner, and I found myself going to work every day with a list of things to do and leaving every day with a list of things to do that was usually longer than the one that I brought in. It wasn't the same list of things to do, but it was very rarely shorter. And the sense of accomplishment that one gets by leaving at work every night with a list of things to do that's as longer than the one you brought in is limited. And you can do that, and of course you can earn good money doing that. But at some point, for me, the money was no longer worth it. What I got immediately upon entering the school was a life where I went in to work with a list of things to do, I accomplished those things, and I went home. And then I would figure out another list of things to do while I was at home. I would go into school, and I would accomplish those things, and I would go home again. And that was like a revelation to me. You could actually set out to do something, create some physical objects, 4 legs, 2 legs out of 4 legs for your table, go home and they're done. And the worst thing in the world was you screwed it up. And you went home with 1 leg and one screwed up leg, and you went home and you said, okay, tomorrow I'll redo that leg. I have the skills to do it, I have the wood, or I'll get the wood and I'll just redo it, and then we'll go on. It was another level of sort of awareness of how one can be in the world without feeling like you are constantly disappointing or not accomplishing things or just going nowhere.